Over there, old head over there eating chicken sandwich. I can't, bro. Big, you got something to say?
Bro. I can't, bro. I can't. Alright. What is it you lose your virginity?
I was 15 years old at the end of last year. So, I had this girl be hanging out and shit. You're the power. What you call that shit?
What?
You doing that Philly power name?
Powerhouse?
Yeah, power. If you're up in the powerhouse, keep looking at me, so I just go over there, bro. She had asked me, what you doing out there? I'm like, hey, I'm a virgin, bro. So I'm a freaky ass nigga. Make a long story short, she came over, 2 strokes in, bro. I was out the fucking light. I'm like, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, bro. At fucking hard.
What's the name of your latest body?
My fucking baby. I told my girlfriend.
A man is loyal.
It's my fucking baby, bro. Shit.
My latest body is Z.
Oh, with the sex good? Better than the first one?
It was all like the same. I'm not gonna lie. Nobody was better than me. What's your longest relationship?
The one I'm in now for 9 months. So I'm not gonna lie, it was real rocky at the beginning, bro. I'm not gonna lie to me. I was wanting too much, bro, expecting too much, bro. That's why she didn't really act how I thought she was gonna act. Like, one thing I won't tell you niggas, bro, don't go on social media thinking, oh, she's a freak. I want my girl to be a freak, bro. Don't do that. That shit is lame, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I think my longest relationship was probably like 6 months, but it was a talking stage before that, so it was like probably like 9, something like that.
Yeah.
It was just like a long time talking stage. It wasn't no rush for real.
What's your worst sex experience?
It wasn't really a bet, so it was period sex. So it was like,
Whoa.
yeah, bro.
Probably was when she used your fucking teeth. Bro.
That's another one.
Oh, she used teeth, bro. That shit ain't like, shit.
But it's like, it's a bad thing. It's like, so during that teeth, she was doing a good job. It's just like, the teeth just fucked it all up, bro. So it just made it not even feel good, bro. So it was like 50-50.
What's your type of female?
I don't really have a type. I like, cause I'm a funny person. So like, you can't make me laugh. It's just like, we're not meant for each other. Cause like, I like to laugh. I'm a funny person.
You 2 goofy ass niggas, bro. Fuck, I look like being with a female. She's just like, hey, babe.
Yeah, if y'all go to her,
I think females are just, I don't like females who are like the same, bro. I like a female who's not afraid to be different. Who's not afraid to wear baggy clothes. But like my real type, I like females with gaps and pretty smiles, bro. I don't know why. That shit is just pretty good, bro. What you like weird features when you talk about girls?
feature I like, I'm not gonna say I got a foot fetish, but if you got pretty feet, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, your feet done. Now, I'm not gonna just say specifically white toes.
Bullshit, bro.
But any color toes, as long as they done. And females with small feet. I don't like big head.
No bullshit, bro. Bro, some of the niggas really don't talk about is females with pretty fucking toes, bro. Pretty females with good toes, bro. That shit is a turn on, bro. Cause my mom had told me if her fucking feet stink, her hair stink, bro. Yeah. Toes clean. You a good female from my perspective. Cheating, I don't know.
I get that too, though. That's like, if your toes, if your feet stink, bro, that means you didn't put effort into like really taking a good shower.
Bullshit.
You only clean. The freakiest thing I ever done. It's not even really freaky. Trying to see pussy.
YouTube is not gonna monetize this shit.
See?
The both of us, nigga, we not gonna be saying this shit, bro. That's cool, bro.
We're not knowing right now.
Yeah, bro. I'm just trying to get you out, bro.
We dicked our food.
Type shit.
That's enough questions for today. It's just the first video.
Got some spicy shit for y'all, so y'all definitely better tap in for that.
Yeah, bro. We're gonna be doing a lot of collabs too.
Sure,
This really my guy.
I want to shout out my man Heem Season. They also on YouTube. Lori, I think it's Ori. Yeah, just all them niggas, bro. Go sub, bro.
Yeah, make sure I go tap on my Instagram. Mainly my spam week, don't spam.
Oh shit.
TikTok. Look at the food. Dick this shit. That's the setup.
Yeah, man. Look at my fucking snack.